Hey everyone, this is a 2004 Chevy Trailblazer and we're trying to chase down a code P0171. A lot of times the culprit can be a leak in the air intake system. So you get a reduction in vacuum. It can also affect the fuel pump, the PCB system. This Trailblazer, it doesn't have an actual PCB system, it doesn't have a PCB valve, but there is a PCB system. This part here is involved, and also the hose that's underneath this Vortec air box is involved as well. There's no valve. Usually the valve is somewhere on the valve cover. One of the things that somebody pointed out on Facebook is that this was leaking on theirs during a smoke test. So I looked at mine. It's generally there, but any leak at all could be a vacuum leak. So there is a little rubber gasket that's underneath here. What I'm going to use is just some black RTB silicone, and I'm going to go around the inside of this and the outside of this black gasket, plug it, and see if that's part of the issue with my P0171 code. So this is a potential place to look. This PCB, it's not a valve, but it's part of the PCB system. Supposedly unserviceable, but I'm guessing that there's a way that I could at least take it out and clean it. Looks like there's some bolts in here, so I definitely can separate it. I think that what people are saying is that there's just no kit to service it. Generally, I think the parts in here should probably be reusable. There's probably like a spring, maybe some kind of diaphragm. So it can probably definitely be cleaned in some way. And it tends to be, I want to say this is something like $100. So trying to chase down several different things. Air box is tight, hose is tight, new IAT valve, tight, hose is fixed underneath here, tight going into throttle body. Throttle body is clean, throttle body is reset. Map sensor is functioning properly. Still getting a code for P0171, which means lean in the #1 cylinder. Got a fuel injector that needs to be replaced. Intake manifold, I'm not sure if I need a gasket for it, but again, I have RTB sealant. I'm guessing that there's probably molded silicone, right, because this is plastic. It's probably going to be molded silicone kind of gaskets that are in the intake manifold. #1 fuel injector needs to be replaced. Gas cap, I think I still have to replace. That's kind of loose, but we're just going to go ahead and use some RTB sealant in there. I don't think I really need to show it. Take a good amount, put it on the inside of this and the outside of that. Snap it back that way. See if maybe that takes away your P0171 code. And this is only for the Trailblazer, but that code is pretty much for everything.